everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another live tutorial today. Today is our last card design day. I love doing these, but I am so thankful we are done with them. Only because it's nice to move on to other things. So our last one that we haven't done is this next to last one right here. So if you can see, it has a card base, it has a layer, a rectangle layer, 2 circles, and a little banner with some ribbon or twine. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to use the Citrus Blooms stamp set. It comes in a bundle form. Not using the bundle today. We're going to use this on our next 2 videos as well. Today we're just using the stamp set, and then it comes with this gorgeous paper. Right here, we have a whole suite that goes with this. This paper is beautiful. So we did a card in class this past month, and I'm going to do it for you on Saturday, but we use these sheets right here. I've already used up all of my orange. So the dies right here will cut out the oranges. They do not cut out the lemons, so we have to cut those out by hand. I had 1 sheet of lemons left. And you can see right here, they come in groups of two or a single, and I've cut out a group of, I went ahead and cut that out so you didn't have to watch me cut it because it takes a minute. I cut out 2 of the lemons. And then, so one side has the fruit or the flowers, and then the other side has this great tile kind of pattern with the blues. So I'm doing all fruits this week, but I just love oranges and lemons, and they remind me of home. So home, I consider home like Florida. I live in Arkansas now, but I grew up in Florida. So let's get to it. All right, I'm going to do lemons. So I'm going to use, what color is this? Daffodil Delight as my card base. So I just took a half sheet to make my card base. And then it uses a panel. So I had this piece of scrap Mossy Meadow cardstock. So we're going to just trim it down. And I'm upside down here. I don't know why. Every time I pull that out, I'm upside down. I'm going to cut off that ragged end. And I think I'm going to do maybe 4 inches. I'm just guesstimating right now. 4 inches tall. I think this is a little wide. I'm going to do 3 inches, 3 by 4. That's what we're going to go for. And then we can cut it down more if we need it. Okay. Oh, that looks pretty good. So on the sketch, it's a little bit, I just put a new one of these in. Hold on, let me get it started. They put it over to the left a bit and a little bit up. Now you could go center. I'm actually going to go, no, I'm going to go up. Why not? A little bit up and to the left. So this is not centered. It's okay to not center it. Some of you may say, but I need to center it. You really don't. Think outside the box. Now, I thought this little flower pattern, it's so dainty and so cute. And I have not used it yet, so I used my stylish shape dies to cut out, die cut a circle. And this is going to go right about here. I think on the sketch it kind of overlaps or goes over the edge of the green. And instead of another circle, I thought I would do the lemons. Or we could do this down here and do the lemons on top. Let's see. What do we like? I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like this way or do you like this way? You know, part of me likes this better. I don't know why. It just does. Is anybody, I'm just checking to see if we have any comments, see if Kat's on. I'm not seeing any comments, so I I think I'm gonna try this. We're gonna adhere the circle down flat. Let's make sure our flowers kind of look good here. I'm gonna put those there. Then we're going to pop up our lemons. Okay, I'm gonna throw, that's a loose leaf. I've got many dimensionals today. Hopefully that will be enough. I might need one over on this side. Hold on. Okay. I think we'll be secure. So I'm going to put this one right here. And then I have just some scrap 1/2-inch strips of basic white. And I'm going to use the Just Checking In sentiment from the stamp set. And some Mossy Meadow for our ink. Let's see if we can get this, pardon my head. If I got my head in there, okay. This is a cute little hello card. I love it. So we can just cut it off straight, or we could angle it. I've been angling things a lot lately. I don't know why, it just makes me happy. You know, sometimes, you know, a lot of times I'll flag it, and I've just been angling. It's easier to angle for sure. So maybe that's the reason, because when we do it in a class, sometimes people struggle with the aspect of flagging. Well, we need to put some ribbon on that. Let's put some ribbon on here before we put that down. So I have 2 kinds of ribbon. I've got this Lemon Lolly, and then we have this new ribbon that's going to be coming in the mini catalog. And I'm just trying to think what would show up better. You know, actually I think this Lemon Lolly is going to show up better. So I'm going to just tie a bow, kind of a loopy bow. And then we're going to, I'm looking for my ribbon scissors. Where are you? There they are. We'll just adhere this right here with our seal adhesive we put down. I want it to go this way. Kind of angle this way. All right, let's pop this up on here. Got a little bit of ribbon. Cute. Okay, let's add a little bit of bling. I've got some of our glossy dots. I love these things. I'm so glad they stuck around. I'm looking for my piercer tool. I have been designing for Christmas, my Christmas in August event, which is coming up. I don't know where my pick tool went. So my craft room's a disaster. We're just gonna say that. I'm halfway done. I'm waiting on my new pre-order to come in, which should be in today. Very excited about all the awesome new holiday products coming out. Ooh, aren't those sparkly? They are just so shiny. I love that. Okay. I mean, how quick and easy was that? Yes, I did die cut, and I did cut that out ahead of time, but it literally took me maybe 1 minute and 15 seconds, and that literally took me 15 seconds. So 1.5 minutes pre-work, along with our few minutes of putting the card together. So super cute. I love those dots. I love too, because there's 3 sizes. Yeah, awesome. Okay, that is it for today. Would love to have your order this month. You'll get a kit, if your order is $50 or more, you're going to get a kit of the card class projects in the mail, and you're going to get a pack of embellishments. I'm not sure which embellishments I'm sending yet, but they will be great. So if you have questions, let me know. You can use the host code posted below the video. And thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you back here with another fruit card on What day? Saturday. I'll figure out which day it is. Saturday. All right. Thanks, everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.